The fact that it's so easy for you to disappoint yourself just might be the only thing standing between you and your manifestation. Why is it so easy to fulfill your promise to everyone else but yourself? To manifest your desires, you have to get yourself aligned. And usually you do that by taking action. So how are you going to get aligned and manifest your desires if you can't do what needs to be done? Take this from someone who has been there and is still working her way out. You have to learn how to fulfill the promises you make to yourself. The easiest way to become a power manifestor is to align your identity. Once you have that sorted, a lot of things will naturally follow. If you become a disciplined person, all your desires that are in alignment with being disciplined will naturally flow into your life. You will just be sleeping and things will be happening for you because you are in alignment. Think about this. There are certain things that Beyonce will never have to pray for because it comes with being Beyonce. Okay, maybe I'm going too far. When you become the GM of your company, there are certain things that will naturally come with that position. And if you don't get them, you're going to ask questions because why not? So you get it now. We have to learn to become an identity that is going to keep us aligned so that our manifestation will come in easily. You have to learn to fulfill the promises that you make to yourself. It's very important. Do what you said you would do. Start small, stay consistent, and improve. Be okay with failing, but don't stop because you failed. Don't give up because you failed. Get up and continue going. This is my current favorite affirmation on this journey. I have the courage and the discipline to fulfill the promises I make to myself. I say it throughout the day, especially when I catch myself sleeping. Can we say it together now? I have the courage and the discipline to fulfill the promises I make to myself. Let me know that this message resonated with you by writing this affirmation in the comment section now, okay?